So for this Mispronounced Adventures, I'm going to do it slightly differently. I'm going to do shorter videos, probably filmed on my iPhone because I can edit them every day. And at the minute I've got backlogs or months from other ones to do on my vlogging camera. So this time we're in Costa Rica. And we've got some trekking, project work, and I'm out with Outlook Expeditions, and I've got a team from Scotland. Today is actually our second day. We were here yesterday, but we were just doing admin yesterday, booking things and having a look around San Jose. So from now on, we're hoping to have shorter videos coming out more frequently and actually during the course of the trip. Hope you enjoy. What I did forget to say is we're currently staying at Costa Rica Backpackers in San Jose, which is a bit like a tropical paradise. So we spent the day travelling. We're currently at Rincon de la Vieja National Park at the Rincon Doctor Lodge. Team's just setting up their tents and camp behind me. We've got the next few days we're going to be trekking to the national park at the foot of the volcano, which is pretty cool. Surprisingly overcast, and I'm pretty sure at the minute it's a lot warmer than it is in Scotland than it is here in Costa Rica.